Who's that?
I don't know.
Oh, that's what's her face
Someone
from
come back.
Buddy. You okay, kid?
From BP12 and the winner of BP13. She is absolutely legendary. A competition beast, like amazing.
Aw.
Poor buddy.
Poor kid.
People know that I love this show so much and I
Little-
gotta keep it in. But I'm sorry, Rachel. I love
Aw.
you. You're the queen. I'm like about to bow down.
Smile for the camera, buddy.
So, house guest, I am here to host the beer competition. So, let's everyone get dressed and meet in the backyard.
Buddy.
He says, I'm just going to walk away.